Hi, I'm Tam from Discover English with another 1-minute pronunciation tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to pronounce can and can't in conversation without sounding rude. Sometimes it's difficult to hear the letter T at the end of can't, which can lead to all sorts of confusion in conversation. Luckily, there are a few ways to make sure you're always understood. I can meet you tomorrow to discuss it. I can't meet you tomorrow to discuss it. You'll notice that can is unstressed in the sentence, but can't is stressed. However, you do emphasize can when it appears at the end of a sentence. You'll notice that in most types of Australian English, the vowel sound in can, changes to in can't. Can you hear the difference? Can't you hear the difference? She can go, but he can't. She can't go, but he can. So don't worry if you don't make the T sound in can't clear. As long as you change the vowel sound and the stress of the word, everyone will understand what you mean. You can communicate clearly even if you can't get it perfect. A good way to check your pronunciation is to record yourself saying sentences with the target sounds. Give the recording to a friend and see if they can correctly write the sentences down. If they can't, you need to keep practicing. Good luck and see you next time.